For science this go round, we are going to be talking about weather. So we're going to begin our weather unit, but it's going to look a little bit different. We would also be getting into weather if we were still in the classroom, but we will be doing that via our science textbook. We are not doing that. I told you guys we were going digital. So I have decided to use Google Slides. So it's a lot like PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint that you guys are familiar with from computer class, but this is through Google. So anything you put on your Google slide, I can see. So when you edit it, if you change anything, I can see that, and that's fine. I want you to change things and edit your slides. When you type something in, I can see that, and that's great. That's a good thing, but this is how we're moving forward. So I want to talk to you a little bit about that. You're going to start off your weather unit today, and it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to post the number of slides you're supposed to do. So for example, the whole weather unit is 19 slides, but today you're only doing slides 2 through 4 to get us started. It's very simple. Slide 2, you will see there's a spot for you to put what you know about weather and what you want to learn about weather. Remember, we answer our questions in full sentences, and a full sentence begins with the capital letter and ends with punctuation. Please don't forget that, just like you do on your lesson checks for science. This is going to be very similar in the way you answer your questions. You're also going to put a little picture of your favorite type of weather. Now, you're going to do that with clip art pictures that are on the computer. You're not going to do that with drawing like you would on your lesson check. You have to use your digital resource. So that is your iPad, your computer, whatever you're using to answer your questions. That's slide 2. I want you to do that before you even begin. And then slides 3 and 4. On slide 3, you'll see it's titled, What is Weather? Now, you're reading through that. It's a quick 3-paragraph little passage. It's not anything crazy, but it talks to you about what weather is. And then on slide 4, you're answering 4 questions about that. Now, just like our lesson checks, the answers for our lesson checks can be found in the lesson that we just read through like we do in class. The answers on slide 4, the questions you need to answer on slide 4, they can be answered with what you read on slide 3. So make sure you look back. You can do that. And all 4 questions you need to write in complete sentences. Now, I'll go ahead and tell you, one of your questions says, what is the author's purpose for writing this passage? So remember, the author's purpose is why would the author tell us what is weather? Why would they talk to us about weather? So it not only talks to you a little bit about science, but it pulls in some of those daily reading questions as well. So I think this is going to be really good. I think you guys will really like it. Each day you'll have a different little section. So for example, tomorrow, Tuesday's section is called How Does the Sun Affect the Earth? And you'll have some questions. Following that will be How Does the Sun's Energy Affect Water? And then some questions. So I think you'll like the interactivity of this. If you need help, let me know.